In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to upload your Suno generated song to Distrokid. If you've created a track with Suno AI and you're ready to get it on Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, and more, this walkthrough will take you from export to release with clarity and confidence. First, grab your audio from Suno. Open your finished song inside Suno, choose Download, and save the file to a clearly labeled folder on your computer. You'll often get an MP3, which is fine, but if Suno offers a WAV option, use that for the highest quality. Before you move on, make sure the version you download is truly final. Check the ending, the volume, and any transitions so you don't have to replace files later. Next, confirm you have the right to distribute the track. Review Suno's terms for commercial use tied to your plan. As a general rule, paid plans typically include commercial rights, while free generations may have limitations. Take a moment to verify this now so you avoid takedowns or delays after release. You'll also need cover art. Create a square image in JPG or PNG format at a minimum of 1000 by 1000 pixels. Bigger is okay as long as it's square. Avoid copyrighted images, branded logos you don't own, or anything that could trigger a content dispute. If you need a quick professional look, tools like Canva or Adobe Express make it easy to design clean artwork with proper dimensions. Now head to Distrokid, log in, click Upload, and fill out your release details. Enter the artist name exactly as you want it to appear on stores, add the song title, pick a release date, and choose a genre that fits your music. Upload your audio file and your finished cover art. Keep everything consistent. Your artist name, spelling, and capitalization should match across your catalog. Distrokid may ask whether AI was used in the creation of the track. Answer honestly and select the option that best reflects your process. Transparency helps prevent issues during review. Choose your distribution platforms. Select services like Spotify, Apple Music, YouTube Music, TikTok, Instagram, Facebook, and Amazon Music to maximize your reach. If you make short-form content, enabling TikTok and Instagram can help your song spread. When everything looks good, submit your release. Processing and delivery typically take anywhere from 1 to 7 days depending on the platform. While you wait, avoid making changes unless absolutely necessary. A few final tips. Don't include copyrighted vocals, samples, or beats you don't own. Use a consistent artist name across releases. Make sure your metadata and artwork align with your branding. And keep your original Suno project files as proof of creation in case a platform requests verification later.